QR codes are everywhere now. Menus, business cards, event tickets, Wi-Fi signs. The free QR generator at keyboardtester.click creates one in seconds from a URL, plain text, email address, or Wi-Fi credentials. No account, no watermark, instant PNG download. You can encode a website URL, plain text, an email address, Wi-Fi network credentials, a phone number, or a pre-filled SMS. The most common use is a URL, paste it in, and the code is ready. Open the QR generator, type or paste what you want to encode, and the code generates instantly as you type. Click Download to save the PNG. You can use it in print, email newsletters, presentations, or anywhere else. Print at a minimum of 2 by 2 centimeters for reliable phone scanning. Always leave a white border, the quiet zone, around the code. Test with at least 2 different phones before printing at scale. If you are adding a logo on top, use error correction level H so the code still scans even with part of it covered. Create your QR code free at keyboardtester.click. No account, no watermark, instant download.